It's always a risk buying a house sight unseen. I checked out the comps and they're between the high 4s and the low 5s. Let's just hope that this house doesn't need any more than $50,000 in work so we can make some money. This is the moment of truth. What's up, Frank?
Hey, guys.
It's day 1 and we're meeting our project manager, Frank, to finally get a look inside.
Okay, we're definitely taking all the trees down.
Let's go look at the house first.
Oh, it smells horrific. Someone actually just moved. Oh, come on. Come on.
It smells nice. Come
There's
on.
no way someone just moved out of here.
Love, only the finest for you.
Oh my gosh. No, I can't touch anyone while I'm in here. Oh, wow. This is a beauty. What?
Look at this bathroom. Why is there a fake wall? This is a...
Oh my gosh. Kind of feels like we're in a motorhome, right?
Smells like we're in a porta potty.
It does smell like we're in a porta potty.
Well, what are you thinking, Frank? 6,000, 7,000?
Only about 7,500, 8,000.
So here's a good thing. The living room and the kitchen, very large and open.
It actually is a big kitchen.
Yeah, this kitchen is actually bigger than I thought, so it's gonna be more expensive. It's probably in here, what are you thinking, like 8,000, 9,000?
Probably 10 to 12.
Ooh.
Huh. Okay, let's see what else there is. Pretty big bedroom.
This is a huge bedroom. This is good news.
What is that in there?
That's the fake wall that they built. Remember, in the bathroom, I was knocking on that wall?
Why would they block off the bathroom?
Let's go find out.
For a closet.
What? That's an odd decision.
This used to be a shared, because if you take this down, then it's you can actually use this.
If you take this down, this would be like a master bedroom. Good news, it's a big room.
Okay, so we'd have to reconfigure that stuff.
This patio thing has gotta go. Sorry.
What patio there?
This.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's weird. It's
Yeah.
gotta go. What's in there?
This has got to be garage. Oh, door's broken.
What the hell just happened?
Got me in the toe.
This is the garage?
This is not a garage.
Oh no, I'm not
All
going in
right,
there.
someone was living in here. Frank, let's check this thing out. Hello?
Someone was living in there? What makes you say that?
There's walls and bedroom doors. Hello?
Hello?
Wow, they
What?
converted it. Is this
Yeah.
What is it?
one bedroom? Or is that a bathroom?
Can I come in?
Yeah, you can come in.
There's another bedroom.
They turned this into a full-on house.
Huh? This is the garage?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, God. Wow.
What?
I've never seen anything like this in my life.
And somebody has actually been here lately.
Why?
You're right, I think people are staying here.
There's clothes hanging. This smell in this room isn't like the rest of the house.
No, it's not.
They probably rented each room here for $400 a month, $1,200. To get a better idea of what we're working with, we're having Frank take a closer look. Frank, tell me you have fantastic news.
Other than most of the plumbing needs to be replaced. The entire house needs a rewire with a new panel upgrade.
Wait, Wait, what? Okay, so based on everything, was I off on my budget? Is it gonna be more than 50?
Way off.
Way off.
75.
This is not good.
Looks like we need a demo. Oh, yeah, buddy!
Hey, check out the garage.
Yeah, this used to be an 8-bedroom house.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy, right? Now that I'm actually looking at it, I can't even imagine how there was that many rooms in here. It's not that big.
Hey, Frank.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
So everything's gutted, but we still have a post.
Yeah, from this point over, there's a 6-inch beam up here. It is load bearing.
How much is it gonna cost to totally remove it?
Between $3,000 and $5,000, it's going to be engineering, structural, the work. Plus, it's going to delay the project 3 to 5 weeks.
What are we gonna do with a post in the middle of the kitchen?
All right, before you make a decision, there's a couple other things we should probably look at first.
Okay.
All the ductwork in this house is asbestos.
Oh,
It's got to come out. It's got to be remediated. That's it. It's got to be done.
How much is it gonna cost?
So you're looking at about $6,000 total for the unit, the asbestos removal, and all new ductwork.
Wow. Wow, okay. With the additional expense of the asbestos, we've decided to save money by keeping the posts in the kitchen. We are, however, spending a little bit more money, and closing off the window will give us much-needed extra cabinet and counter space. Now that the window's gone, it is a little darker in here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to come up with a kitchen design that makes sense and it doesn't close the space, so what are you thinking?
Okay, I agree. It is a lot darker in here. So what I did is I grabbed samples that were more light and bright. I was thinking white cabinets, white sparkle quartz, and then for the backsplash, we can spend a little bit more money, but add a little bit of color with some gray tile. And for the floors, I have these samples. One's like a super light gray, and the other has more of a brown tone.
This one's really cool.
Okay, good. I like that one too.
Great. Okay, so I'm gonna have Frank order the material. Everything should be in here in a few days, and then we can start the install.
All right, cool.
All right, let's make sure we get it level.
Hey guys.
Hey, honey, what do you think?
I love it. White was definitely the right choice here for sure. And this is actually a lot of cabinets.
It is a lot of cabinets. Plus, once we get the countertop in, there's the bar area.
This is the weirdest layout ever. Let's just be honest here.
Okay,
What is this? I mean, what is going on? So you have an entrance and then you go zigzag back to the other side. This is where the shower was? How about if we took down this whole wall where this closet is, bumped it back and moved the closet to the other side of the room? How much would that be? To remove this wall
Architects, engineering, delays.
and to move the closet to the other side of the room.
$3,500 to $4,000.
Then you would have a real master bathroom. Right now you have this weird bumped out space. I mean, what, you can't even barely fit cabinets here.
Yeah,
Where's the toilet go?
If we can submit the plans and get approved on this within 2 to 3 days, we'll do it. If it's gonna take 3 to 5 weeks, we can't do it.
Okay.
That's fair.
Thank you. Please don't make it happen.
Shut up.
Yeah?
You have to actually do it.
Frank was able to get the plans approved in just a few days. So while our construction crew moves forward on expanding the bathroom, we're off to spend a little bit of time with the kids. Daddy's too big for monkey bars.
Nice work.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh, no. Dad-
I saw you do it once before.
Daddy's too big.
Do it again.
Let me tuck your shirt in.
Do it again.
We have a crazy busy life. We love flipping houses, but nothing compares to spending time with our family.
Well, this is a little scary for Daddy.
Check it out.
All right, we have 2 closets.
So nice.
You
It
know
still,
what?
it still feels big in here too.
Wow, look at this thing.
It's amazing. Remember before you had to like hobble around and like scoot to the left and then you found this like teeny tiny shower? Well worth it.
We have a big master bedroom, we have 2 closets, and a huge bathroom.
All right,
so
let's talk design. Check out this shower tile sample I got. Simple, pretty.
That's really cool, actually. So you have the grays, the whites, dark grays, glass, and stone. So pretty much has everything.
Exactly, so that would be the entire shower.
All right, so I have some tile choices.
Okay.
Right away, what are you drawn to?
I think it's so dark in here, the light one. What do you think?
Let's go with the light one.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah?
Cool, sounds awesome. So we'll go with that. We'll do the same style as the kitchen, white cabinets, white quartz, lighter floors, that tile. Done.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty incredible.
That looks awesome.
All right, guys.
Wow, so pretty. Honestly, it's a statement wall. Now this is a master suite.
I know, it's incredible. Look how big the shower is. This bathroom is really spectacular.
It's amazing. Looks so much better with that awning down.
What's going on, Jake?
Hey guys, how are you?
Good. Looks a lot better.
Yeah, it does.
Looks so much more open.
It's actually kind of cool. It's like a barbecue area, patio.
It's cute.
Got some bad news. Once we took the fascia down and we did some repairs, we tried to save everything, but we're gonna need a new roof
For the whole house?
for the whole house. We found a lot of rot.
How much is that run?
10,000.
Oof. It's like 20% of our budget. All right, how long is it gonna take to get done?
We're about 2 weeks on the roof.
Man, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
All right, so the roof's done. We gotta pick paint colors.
All right, okay.
So the roof's a dark gray, so we have to come up with paint colors that kind of play off that.
I was thinking a medium gray with white trim. Keep it simple. I would like to do a dark gray, but I think because it's so set back that a medium gray would look better.
Okay, let's do a medium gray white trim. So we need to figure out what we're doing with this yard.
We need to figure out when we're getting rid of these trees.
We can't get rid of these trees. Just hear me out. Imagine that all this is gone, okay? Per code,
You're not gonna win.
But you don't understand. It creates privacy and it prevents loud noise. Follow me. So this is our current view. If it was cleaned up, mulch, some
You
greenery-
like this view of
Okay.
dead trees?
Do you like this view or stand right here?
This view is open. Looks a lot bigger, it's brighter.
Dude, look around.
Yes.
The view is of a parking lot, a commercial building, and a church.
Right now it's at like a haunted house with 50,000 spiders. They're horrible.
You might have been right on this one. It looks pretty nice when we drove by it.
Much better. No comparison to before.
I'll have you carry this one. Man, these floors are spectacular.
You know what?
Awesome.
You do forget about the traffic and the noise and all the other stuff going on out there right when you walk inside. Oh, wow.
That looks so good.
Aren't you glad we did this?
Yeah.
This right here in the kitchen is gonna sell the house.
I like the gray.
Yeah, the gray is nice.
Hi, come on in. How are you?
I'm Tarek.
I'm Mike.
Well, we just listed the house today. It's about 1,300 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let us know what you think about the price as well as the remodel.
Okay, cool. It's a good sized kitchen.
I absolutely love the backsplash, love the subway tiles.
I think this is the
This is a
master bedroom. It's a pretty good size.
Lots of closet space in here, too.
I do like the flooring all the way through.
I like that it's not carpet and like how thick it is too.
It's really thick.
Like how modern it is. This is a nice bathroom. And I like the tiles inside the bathroom too. It's really pretty. It doesn't seem like you're on a busy street either.
No,
It's, once you're in here, it's okay.